Okay, I literally just set up my new freaking workspace and now I'm back in the living room because the monitor stopped working and I don't have a replacement for it or an alternative. We have a really old TV, but that's not working because resolution is, I don't know, like, wait, 1080? I don't know. I'm not even sure. But now I'm back in the living room and it's annoying. And I have to punch down again at the coffee table or sit on the floor to use the mouse and keyboard. So, very annoying.
And the first thing we bought because we saw it on an actual commercial.
I know, we're never really influenced by commercial stuff.
This is the chocolate covered gummy bears.
Yay.
The main reason that we ordered
Hold
it.
on. Then the next one is...
Dried. Oh, the dates. Dried dates.
Ooh, okay.
I've been wanting dates ever since I had them in India.
And you've been wanting dates since you were single.
Oh, the energy squares. These look really good.
Oh yeah, we got these energy squares because they did look really good.
Yeah. I don't remember these. Oh, milk chocolate pecan clusters.
Okay.
And last thing. Oh, these should be the everything bagel cashews and almonds.
Yes, that's the one I really wanted to try.
Oh my gosh, just popped up on the screen.
That's the reason. That's the main reason why we ordered from this place.
So that's nuts.com.
Yeah, we're not sponsored. Don't say it. But yeah,
on all of the bags.
I know we can't help that.
All right, I'm gonna try one.
We're gonna try one tonight because I haven't had these in forever.
I'll get two of them. There we go. Gummy bears.
Oh, I thought you were getting two for you.
No.
Tastes familiar.
The chocolate's good.
So what are we doing today?
We're going to recycle the printer, and then I'm going to Best Buy, and then we're going to go to the grocery store. Oh, and the bank. Woohoo, one less thing to worry about. Because we finally got rid of that fucking printer.
We just need to do the bulk pickup and that how it will be clean.
Mm-hmm.
So we just got to Best Buy.
Yeah, we got time. So we're just waiting for them to open so we can go pick up our stuff.
They're selling PS5s again, so Rob's finally getting one. Just kidding.
It's 6 years later, I think. I don't know.
I don't know. We just picked up the order.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go home real quick to drop that off and then head to...
The bank.
And we're skipping the bank today.
Yeah, it's just too much stuff to try and do in one day.
We just got invited from his mom to go to brunch tomorrow. So looking forward to that because the hibachi place is really good.
Yeah, I hope they have more flavors of, like, the buns.
What did you get?
Crispies.
Okay. Is it
From the Philippines, apparently.
Is it good?
They're very lightly cheese flavored.
So he doesn't like it because they're from the Philippines. No, thank you.
I like Filipino food.
No, you don't.
Well, especially snacks.
Wow, snacks. You can't live off snacks. I mean,
Yeah.
technically you can, but... Okay, signing off.
Okay, I'm still not waving because I'm eating.
So we just got finished with groceries. We're on our way home so we can relax.
I'm trying to open it. It's not going very well.
Okay, so this one's the dates. I mean, we both know what dates taste like. Well, at least you do now.
These packages hate me.
Yeah, I don't have nails at the moment. I bit mine.
There, they're open.
Okay, now that they're open, oh, thank you. So this is what it looks like. I would record us, but we're not really dressed right now.
Ooh, these are pitted.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so good.
I think it says they're jumbo, too. Yeah, see, jumbo.
No, they're not pitted.
Yes, they are. I got one. See, mine has a pit.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They're not pitted.
This is gonna look gross, but there's a pit in mine. Oh, not pitted. Next one.
These ones are the milk chocolate pecan clusters.
You know, I honestly don't remember putting that in the box.
I don't either, but it's there. And they sound really good, so.
Well, I do like pecans.
So part of the review is I hate some of their packaging. Oh, these ones are huge. Oh, I think
Well, it says clusters.
I know, let's split this one here. Take a... I told you.
Whoa. Let's see if this one's good. Oh, man.
No, it's really good.
Oh, that one's yummy. I'm excited to try that one, which is the everything bagel.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one is the energy cube thingy.
Oh yeah, that's the other one I'm excited to try. Thank you. So, it's hard it won't focus properly.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, that's good.
Mmm.
Focus.
I'm trying to concentrate.
These are assorted, so I don't even know which one you got.
Oh, mine tastes kind of like wine. I don't know.
Oh, why'd you say that? You know, I don't like wine.
Oh no, it's orange. Yeah.
Mine tastes like apricot or peach or something.
And now, grand finale.
Now, this one is the everything bagel, cashews and almonds. The main reason we ordered from this place. Well, I wanted to order from this place.
Ooh, one of each.
So I got the cashew.
Yeah.
I don't even know what's what. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's really good.
Which would you rate first?
Oh, the top, probably the dates. And then after that, the ones we just had, the
Everything?
bagels, yeah. Then probably the pecans, gummy bears, and then the clusters last.
Really? Okay. Because mine, no offense to the gummy bears, but I'm going with the pecan clusters, then the gummy bears, obviously. And then the dates, and then the energy, and then the everything bagel.
Really? Everything bagel last?
The only reason is because I taste a lot of the salt. So that's our rankings. Yeah.
We're on our way to Easter lunch brunch, something like that.
It's past brunch.
Lunch.
A little late lunch. We're going to this place called Hibachi. And it's a buffet, but their food is always good. So.
Yeah.
The hibachi place is not too far from here, really close by.
So it's a short.
It's like in the same town, basically.
Yeah.
So, yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too. Don't do the Zoom thing again.
So we just finished eating.
Mm-hmm.
It was yummy.
That's very good.
That's it. Now we're getting gas.
Yeah. Gotta figure out where we're gonna go.
The gas station usually has gas.
I'm skeptical, but I'll take your word for it.
Okay, you gotta do the wave thing.
Happy now?
And this.
No! Stop it!
Sounds like cutting up styrofoam. That's really weird. Am I supposed to cut off ends of gnocchis? And the rice is almost done soaking, so that's good. It's like an Amish person. Get it? Get it? Because the rice is soaking.
Oh, you mean Mormon?
This is kind of a lot of mushrooms for this thing of...
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
The mushroom rice recipe has a marinade I didn't film, but it added a subtle flavor to the dish. I made the rice to eat it by itself, but the tikka masala that's been cooking all day smelled really good.
Well, I get that cooking. We have tikka masala from a jar. It's about 9 minutes left.
I wasn't even that hungry, but I had to try the chicken even though we just got back from the buffet a few hours ago. And it turned out delicious.
Hi, what's up? Oh, we're doing laundry. Yeah, we got 27 minutes until our first wash is done, and then we have to do dryer. Man, the Wolverine game isn't out till fall.
Oh my gosh, there's like a big spider by the window.
Oh.
Did you know this is AI?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. He's not real.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. Cam's not even real.
I'm not gonna just finish drinking and you won't have anything to focus on.
Oh, do you see the big spider by the window? I don't know. I have to go. I have to be at the store to look and decide. Sheesh.
You're gonna say I have to Google it.
You're not waving.
That's not fair. I'm gonna try and get some stuff out of the way. What's that? Yeah. Let's start getting bins. Hooray.
Can you do the 1, 2, 3 clap?
1, 2, 3.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're gonna do the mattress first? Because they start to change.
Yeah, I'll start doing the mattress first.
Well, because it's the biggest thing. You don't have to keep it flat. You can just fold it and it's all considering and fold.
Yeah, the only thing I'm thinking is like these things, I might need to put the mattress on top of those.
Oh, okay, so do these first.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize there was trash in here. The cooler, I didn't realize there was trash in here. Yeah, let's do them one at a time. I just said I'll just do them one at a time.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, this must be the wrong apartment. This doesn't have stuff in the hallway.
What?
I said this must be the wrong apartment. There's not a bunch of stuff in the hallway.
Oh, you're silly. I'm confused. Okay, I wasn't ready. That wasn't fair.
No, we're out of fucking kunai.
Okay. How do I switch?
The throwable? Hold on. No, hold on. Let me show you.
I already died. Hold on, I wasn't ready.
It's R2 and then the D-pad.
Oh, D-pad. Got it. Ugh. Oh my god, I'm pushing the wrong buttons. Whatever.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh. Okay.
Atsu, he said this way.
Kick is
Why
like...
can't I move to the other side? Why am I only moving in one direction? I don't understand what just happened. I can't...
How are you resisting? She knows what is real and what is only an illusion.
I gotta remember to block. And move. I literally blocked that shit.
Surrender, Dojun.
I don't answer to you. Only Lord Saito.
You chose the wrong master.
I'm not even... Those blocks down. Oops. I can't see the other bitches in the way.
Yuki took you in. Why betray her?
Because she's stuck in the past. You both are.
I blocked that. Are you freaking joking? What? What an asshole.
Lord Saito has a vision. A place for me by his side.
He is using you.
No, you were using me. Okay.
What the
Bad.
bitch?
You answer only to Lord Saito.
Fucking asshole. I did it.
Good job.
Thank you.
He was much too tall for it.
I didn't even clap.
He failed himself.
Yay.
Saito has lost his spy master.
Is this on?
Focus on
Yeah.
Oh. Come on. Siri, set a timer for 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Starting now.
Oh, I didn't mic you. We gotta do it all over.
I'm not putting the pizza back in the box. I did get some because it was cheaper than it said it was online.
What was?
Chocolate hummus.
Ooh, yay.
Speaking of hummus, here, why don't you take this? A little bit of these. You happy now? You got something good on camera? I gotta split up the ground beef.
Can you hand them to me? I don't want to be in frame.
Behind the scenes footage.
Can anyways,
Oh, it's still on.
this is our. Oh my god, what is this called? This is our pre-lunch snack. Healthy.
Well, not healthier than usual anyway. I got the things. It's not seem right. No, please don't tell me I have to go back downstairs and unload people's packages. This is the UPS parcel.
Yes.
USPS, I know. Just shoot. I'm missing everything else.
I told you there was multiple packages.
Oh, I'll be right back. Oh, I found the other package. It's right next to it. This is going to be on the camera that's recording this soon. Oh, that's just the right thing. Tiny little tripod. It says they're titanium. I don't believe it. But it says they're titanium. Oh, yeah, so we're unboxing this little thing because this is our GPU stand, or stand, support bracket. But what we really liked about it is that it actually holds both the top and bottom of the bracket. And then it's got like these nice pads in the bottom of it. So unlike the one that we have now, which is just a little piece of rubber on the bottom.
It's supposed to be magnet.
I mean, it is technically magnetic. It just doesn't stick.
It doesn't matter.
Much.
No, the magnet's really not powerful.
Yeah.
The magnet sucks.
Anyway, it's nice.
This happened last Friday, and yeah, we had the window open over here, so I thought these things were heavy enough when the wind was blowing in to prevent it from falling. Apparently not. Everything fell, a lot of things broke. I've been meaning to clean this up, and yes, it's been on the floor because I just didn't want to deal with it. This was on the right side of the window. I moved it to the left because I thought, well, it's heavy enough, but apparently not. So the candlesticks are broken. Gotta throw those. Now I should clean it up because it is Tuesday and Rob was supposed to help me, but yeah, I gotta vacuum because there's still glass everywhere. Hopefully oh good, this one survived. Cool.
First we have this. Yeah, this thing is, this is heavy. Ta-da! That's the things that we got from Newegg.
So it slides open.
Oh, good, that slides over really easy. Yeah, I know. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to avoid all that fucking, like, RGB shit.
Yeah, I know. Like, doesn't RGB run up your power too?
Yeah, I don't understand. I mean, I get that people want it to look nice, but how many people actually see your gaming setup?
really cold.
So we're gonna go walk around Target, and then we're gonna go to Avon.
That's it.
And then we're gonna hold a teacup like this.
You know what's gonna happen.
Don't zoom into my face. Stop it.
We just got back to the car, but I'm just waiting on Robert because he had to use the restroom. So we'll see how long he takes. Oh, he's right there. Look at him. Taking his sweet time.
You had to record video of me walking awkwardly under a tree, didn't you? Hey, dog time. And watch, this is gonna be the time they don't have banana ketchup again.
I know, that's what I'm afraid of. That's why you should have gotten it last time, but you didn't come last time. Like you said you were.
I told you I only went to the grocery store. I don't understand where the confusion is coming from.
This is a grocery. Ow! You see, that's on camera. It is, and I'm recording.
Stop it. It's already stopped. I saw.
Oh, you made. So we're headed to the other grocery store to get not everything, but just.
Well, we're getting the stuff that we're making today.
Yes, and that's it.
I'm gonna have to wave this thing because I'm driving.
Can you wave with this hand?
That feels awkward. I don't like it. Take it out.
There's a crack. Because Robert.
Yeah, because I have to drive to work. It's not like I did it on purpose. It just happened. It was from highway travel. Why are you still pointing the camera at my face?
Because I'm waiting for you to be quiet so I can stop it.
Why? Stop it! Okay, we just left Best Buy. We just cleaned the camera lens and then we just left Best Buy.
We haven't left.
Well,
So we just.
definitely
We're
not
leaving
Best Buy.
We're leaving Best Buy. We just got. Okay.
Okay. Oh, I haven't done this today.
Oh, it didn't stop it.
Stop it!
And.
No! I don't like it.
I told you there was multiple packages.
I looked through all of them. Let me see what probably had our names on it. I'll be right back. Oh, there's gonna be a part 2 to the video. No! You know I don't care for this. And I gotta replace these things because this one has all the color worn off of it, and this isn't even the right kind of food.
I saw that was regular, it was silver. Because you bought a big pack of those that were black, silver, and I think.
Oh, I did. I lost both of them. That's right.
I didn't lose both. I have them in this jewelry store.
No, I had a pink one and I had a gold one that was like split. No, it wasn't gold. It was iridescent. And I lost them, I think, and then I had to replace it with this.
Oh, I see. That was?
Yeah, well, no, not this specific one, but I had.
Oh, I see what you mean.
I had an iridescent loop on this.
So why does that one look bigger than your left side?
Oh, you mean
Like
the
gauge
thickness?
wise. That's the same kind.
Bye, camera. Okay. You need to get you one of the clicker boards.
Those do have, but it's a joke.
Oh, I'm dumb. This clamps together and then
And
you
then
screw
you
it
can
in.
adjust it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
What is this for? I don't know. It's like fun and fidgety because of the way it slides.
I
Like,
know.
independently and then also together.
It actually slides pretty good.
What? Oh. I know, but it's gonna give you more work to do.
You're mean.
Bye. Leave me alone.
Oof, no, I gotta move it. Just a second. That's fine.
I thought it was fine a few minutes ago.
Anyway, you can start now.
Okay. Ooh, want some Hello Fresh?
No. You know how to use it.
Ta-da!
Wait.
There it is. That's the number. We'll be recording a install video later. Jessica started recording after I did one of my fun jokes.
What was your joke then?
Oh, the first one was after I was like Christmas when I was holding the box. I was sitting back weird.
You're such a doof. Anyways, we're gonna install it. Wait, when you want to install it tomorrow or?
Unless you want to do it now, I'd prefer to do it now, but. Oh my god. Stop it! It's okay, I get it!
Adong is how far from here?
Like 2 or 3 minutes?
2 or 3 minutes? I have a fat face. I really need to lose. Wait, there's a stop sign. I wasn't even recording. Shut your
It
mouth.
was the same thing that happened to Rocky on the thing we watched this morning.
Anyways, we're here, so